We're back. This is part 3. Sorry for the
Interrupted because
interruptions, but my phone is acting up. So here we are, back in the flesh. So how'd that turn out?
it turned out really like slow. Alright, it's the end of the video, but before we end the video, I want to show you comparing to this more slime and to this blue slime that I made in the other video. So, I'm going to get this slime into a little ball.
And take a bite.
No,
How's it feel?
it feels good.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Slime.
So this is the big ball. Oh, and this is the other slime that I did in the other.
Can you feel that one? Can I feel that one and then feel the other one?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, this one's like tougher.
Yeah,
right?
way tougher.
I think it's because it has something to do with the glitter. It's glitter glue.
Yeah.
And this one's more
Like
mushier.
Yeah.
Huh.
So I'll make this one into a ball.
It bounces. Does this one bounce?
I don't think so.
Oh, it bounces.
Okay, so this is a small ball, and look it. Can you compare this slime